Manchester United are ready to sign Nene dorgeles from RB Salzburg. According to football transfer expert Fabrizio Romano, the Red Devils have added the attacking winger who can also play as an attacking midfielder to their list of options for both the January and summer transfer windows. He added that the 22-year-old is being monitored by the Premier League club. In a tweet via his X account on Monday, Romano disclosed that United have already held initial talks over the availability of the Malian star. Manchester United are keen to bolster their manager Ruben Amorim's side in the second half of the season. The Old Trafford club are expected to make some new signings this month in a bid to improve their position on the Premier League table. United currently sit in 13th position on the Premier League table with 23 points from 20 matches. It's well known that the Red Devils are on the hunt for attacking reinforcements, with the striker position especially needing strengthening. United have also been linked to a number of wide attacking players who fit into Amorim's 3-4-3 formation. According to Romano, United now have their sights trained on Nene dorgeles. The 22-year-old is now an established squad member at Salzburg, and in September last year, he put pen to paper on a new contract running until the summer of 2028. Salzburg are in a very strong negotiating position if United come knocking on their door for Nene. Nene, who can play on both wings, has, so far this term, played 14 matches in the Austrian Bundesliga. He has notched 4 goals and 5 assists in that period. He is currently valued at £10 million, excluding add-ons. Talks are ongoing between clubs, so we will let you know what happens next. Subscribe and stay tuned for more updates.